Assalamu alaikum. Hi, grade 2. How are you today, girls? Okay, let's revise on the last lessons. We live in the Middle East part of the earth. In the Middle East part of the earth. Countries in this part are hot and dry, not cold and rainy. No, they are hot and dry. There are many different types of plants and animals here in the hot and dry? No. So, there aren't many different types of plants and animals in the Middle East. And we take some examples of the animals in the Middle East and plants in the Middle East. Camel, goat, lizard, snake, butterfly, locust, gerbil, moth, finch, date palm, olive tree, desert flower, French tamarisk, panorama flower. And yesterday we took these pictures here. Which one do you want to live in it? This one. Why? Because weather here is what? Is not hot, not cold, is good weather. But here, hot and dry. So here, hot weather. Water, there is water here. There is no water here. Shade or shadow, there is shade here and there is no shade here. After that, we talked about what? Living things. What are the living things? Animals and plants. The car here, non-living thing. Horse, living. Pencil, non-living. Tree or plant, living. Bird, living. Boy or human, living. Okay, so what is the meaning of adaptation? Adaptation, the things that animals or plants do to stay alive, not to die. So this girl here wear this dress. Why? To stay alive, to adapt with the weather, with the hot weather. She will not wear this, she will wear this. But here, she wear this cloth. Why? Because the weather is what? Cold weather. So this is called what? Adaptation. Adaptation means what? Things that animals and plants do to stay alive. Okay, girls, our lesson today about what? About the plants that live in hot and dry weather, like date palm tree. These plants adapted. What is the meaning of adapted? They do things to stay alive to hot and dry weather. These plants, like date palm tree or olive tree, they live in hot and dry weather. So, they have what? Thick leaves. Thick leaves. Thick leaves. What is the meaning of thick leaves? Like this leaf. Can you see this leaf of the plant? It's thick. What is the meaning of thick? Big from inside, like this. But this one, not thick. It's very, very thin. This leaf in good weather, in warm weather, not hot, not cold. But this leaf of the plant, it's thick. Why? Why it is thick, girls? Big from inside. Why? To save water inside it. To keep water inside it. Why? Because the weather is very hot and dry. The weather is very hot and dry. So, how can this plant live? This plant live, how, you girls? Keep water inside the leaf. So leaf in hot and dry weather, thick, big from inside, to keep cool, to be cool, and stop water escaping. Water escaping means what? Move the water from it to outside. Escape means what? The water, like you, when you escape from your sister or from your brother, escape means what? Run away. Run away. Understand the meaning of escaping? When you play with your sister or with your brother, your friend, you escape from him. What is the meaning of escape? Run away. Also here the water run away from this leaf. Water run away or escape from this leaf. But here in the hot weather, in the dry weather, water escape here? No. Why? Because the leaf is very thick and keep water inside it, save water inside it. So this thick leaf keep the plant cool and stop water escaping. Stop water escaping. The water will not run away from the plant. So these plants live in hot and dry weather. How? How can they live in dry and hot weather? They have thick leaves. What is the meaning of thick? Big from inside, like this. Not thin. Not thin. This leaf is thick. So they keep what? Cool. They will be cool. And stop water escaping. Stop moving of the water to outside. So they can live in hot and dry weather. Thank you, grade 2. If you can't understand any point, please send a message for me. Bye bye.